Starting next year, Florida will have one of the most restrictive social media bans for minors in the nation. This comes after Governor Ron DeSantis signed House Bill 3 into law yesterday. News Channel 8's Nicole Rogers joins us now live in the Tampa News Center. Nicole, this is far from a done deal. We are expecting plenty of legal hurdles ahead, right?
We are. Many who disagree are honing in on First Amendment rights, but Florida's House Speaker says this new law focuses on addicted features, not the content in and of itself. So the question remains, will House Bill 3 be able to withstand a First Amendment challenge?
I feel like it ain't government's place, to raise my kids. That's my responsibility.
A controversial bill signed into law by Governor Ron DeSantis. It bans children 13 and under from having any social media accounts. It also requires 14 and 15-year-olds to get parental permission before creating an account. The idea is to protect kids and their mental health, something Stetson University psychology professor Christopher Ferguson doesn't agree with.
There's no evidence that this kind of censorship effort involving teenagers is going to improve their health in any way.
Nevertheless, the bill is set to go into effect in January. But even though DeSantis signed it into law, the fight probably won't be over. Florida House Speaker Paul Renner says he's expecting a barrage of lawsuits from big tech companies challenging the law.
People that have the most to lose, who are making billions off of surveilling our kids, collecting information on them, and then keeping them online through this addictive technology, are going to push back. They're going to say it violates the First Amendment.
Do you think this new law will be able to withstand the legal challenges ahead?
I do, because we have not covered content at all. We don't say that this speech is good or that speech is bad. That's protected by the First Amendment, something I believe strongly in.
A group called NetChoice represents a coalition of social media companies and internet platforms, including TikTok and Meta. They filed a lawsuit against the state of Florida in 2021 after Senate Bill 7072 was signed. The group also filed similar lawsuits in California, Arkansas, and Utah. NetChoice's director of state and federal affairs wouldn't confirm whether they plan to sue over this new law, but says they've made their stance clear to the state of Florida.
HB 3 forces Floridians to hand over sensitive personal information to websites or lose access to critical information channels. And we believe that that is a clear violation of Floridians' First Amendment rights to access speech.
Now, if this new law makes it through its expected legal hurdles ahead, it will take effect in January of 2025. Live at the Tampa News Center, Nicole Rogers, 8 on your side.